Hello there, gamers. Today, on this episode of Mystery Unbox with Radical Ranger, we have something so cool. I have to censor it with a censor bar. Oh, look at it, you can't see it. It's so sad. So, let's reveal what it is. Whoa, what? It's a Doctor Who and Fortnite pop figure. That's so cool. Wow. I'm so lucky to have these. Let's have a look at Doctor Who right here. We have Doctor number 10. I wish I had 11 because that's Stranger Things. But here we have his eye. Here we have his nose. Here we have his jacket. Here's the art of Doctor Who. And here's the other things. Wow, that's so cool. Now let's get right into this thing. So you take this off. Oh no, I've dropped it. I guess I'll have to pick it up. Wow. Look at how cool that is. Let's just leave it there. Colby. Wow. Wasn't that cool? Now let's get down to the Fortnite unboxing video. Okay. We've got the Fortnite gamer here. Where's its head? Okay. It looks like it doesn't have a head. That's very sad. If we just look down here, we still don't have a head. That's so sad. But there it is. I've located the head. See, gamers, here's the head. Wow. Aren't I so cool to have these? Okay, now let's put the head on. Wow. I'm gonna need a replacement. Colby. Well, that's the end of the video, Epic Gamers. Stay tuned for the next episode of Mystery Unbox.